Hey, Chmelaeon.com here. Very excited because we have the #1 protein powder, post-workout recovery, meal replacement shake, vegan, USDA organic, gluten-free, kosher, dairy-free, soy-free, informed choice, certified, non-GMO, whole food protein. That's a mouthful, must say, and it tastes delicious. I can account to that because this is the 1, 2, 3, 4th bottle of this stuff that I've completely gone through. This is going to be the 4th bottle of it. And I can't wait to open this thing and give you guys the taste test. But before I do, as always, we're going to have links in the description below to ensure that you get the best price on your protein powder or meal replacement or vitamin and mineral providing product that you're looking for. But I can tell you guys out of experience, this is the #1 thing that I've come across thus far. I've tried both the chocolate and the vanilla flavor, but don't take my word for it. 7,047 customer reviews at 4 stars at the time of this recording. Most other meal replacements can't even touch that. The closest one I'm seeing is like 2,000, or they're barely breaking 2,000 customer reviews for something that's of a like. This one only even has 1,400. But pretty interesting stuff. I recommend it. I'm going to open this thing. I also have an 8-ounce glass of water. And before I open this and do the mix and the taste test, I also am going to mention, be sure to check us out at Chmelaeon.com because we have over 5,000 fitness products. Everything from shaker bottles, workout gear, workout hoodies. We got tactical stuff for your workouts. We got sports bras. We got hot pants. We got shoes. We got training gear. We got CrossFit stuff. Links in the description below. Am I not being fitness enough for you guys? Do I need to put fitness music in the background? I mean, come on. Come on. Get real. But let's read this bottle before I totally delve into this thing. A delicious organic meal on the go, packed with incredible nutrition to help you satisfy hunger, manage weight, and feel great. Oh, I also forgot to mention probiotics. This thing even has probiotics in it. That's why it's hard to even touch this stuff. I haven't found another one that even has probiotics as of yet. Plant-based organic matters, farmed without the use of toxic pesticides or fertilizers. You don't want any of that in your protein. Plant-based, 14 organic grain, seeds, and legumes, third-party certified by Vegan Action. Raw whole food, heat and processing can denature proteins. No junk, gluten-free, dairy or soy. No junk, gluten-free, no dairy or soy. Ingredients, added sugars, artificial flavors, or sweeteners. So there's no added sugar either. That's another benefit to this stuff. Let me zoom in. We're looking at a scoop has less than a gram of sugar. This stuff is going to make you look great, feel great, and be the best you can be. I don't know what else to say about it. Healthy meal on to go, 20 grams of protein, easy to digest, live probiotics, no added sugars, vegan, gluten-free, made without dairy or soy. And that's pretty much all I can say. Because if I tear this off, you might not see this. So I'm actually just going to do a quick zoom in on the ingredients. There is actually a full ingredient list in the link in the description below on the buy listing, just so you guys know. But I am going to do it for the video. You can always fast forward to me opening this. And it's got everything from organic pea protein all the way down to carrot, blueberry extract, organic asparagus. It's got like everything under the sun that is great for you included in this stuff. I mean, it's got magnesium, it's got zinc, vitamin B6, B12, vitamin, gosh, what does this stuff not have in it? Let's open it up already. We'll tear this off. So it does tear neatly across the top, actually. It's got a nice little perforation. And the scoop is included, I know that for a fact. And then 20 grams of protein per serving, loaded with 44 superfoods. Informed choice. And it's also got an induction seal. Gotta love that. Good sign of a supplement company when they have an induction seal as well as a plastic seal, so it's double sealed for your protection and freshness. Pretty awesome. Now, if I dig my clean hands in here, I will find a Oh, wait. Got it. Check it out. That was my little name that video game sound when you open a chest. Comments in the link. Leave a comment for the video game sound effect I just made. Anyway, that's a pretty substantial... Ooh, a little powdery. Whew. My Chmelaeon just got a blast from the past right there. My goodness. Hang on there, little guy. So we have this scoop, 8 ounces of water, as you can tell, in my American-made glass jar. 8 ounces. Let's mix this thing. Once again, guys, links in the description below. It does have a good smell. It's not bad. Also, while I am mixing this, I am going to mention this. So as far as flavors go, I actually saved my old containers. I actually like to save containers to know what I've bought in the past and what I like before I completely recycle it, or ideally recycle it, or throw it away. But I have 3 this is the 3rd chocolate container, and I had 2 spare chocolates right here, and then I had 1 vanilla. So I can kind of remember the taste of vanilla, and from what I do remember, I did like the chocolate better because the 3rd bottle I bought was a chocolate. And I'm not saying the vanilla is bad, but I just preferred the chocolate flavor, and it does actually come in 4 flavors, but the other flavors were pretty unique. Yeah, they were vanilla chai or lightly sweet, and I didn't want extra sugar, and I don't know how I feel about having a chai latte every time I wake up in the morning, or even go to a workout, but let me get to mixing this already. Alright, I think that's pretty good. Alright, thoroughly mixed. Cheers. Oh, feels good to bring it back and say cheers to a non-alcoholic beverage. Hate to push my agenda on people too much, but I think alcohol is a bane to society, and this is a great replacement for alcohol. Alright, that's pretty much it. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out. Be sure to check out the links in the description below. Pardon me on my little chalkiness, powderness. There's a lot of that poofiness in the air right now because I just opened this, but it does taste good. Scale 1 to 10. Let me give it a really good taste. Hold on. It does taste pretty good. It's not bad. Don't let the chalkiness in the air confuse you. If I had to give it a scale to 1 to 10, I'd give it a 7 for a taste. It's pretty bland. It doesn't taste bad. It's just, it's very, let me taste it one more time. I'm going to drink the whole thing. Bland is the wrong word. It's like, think of it like a very lightly sweet cocoa. Like if cocoa, if I can describe it, guy, I gotta close that. There's so much powder in the air. Pardon me. Hey, we gotta keep these reviews as raw as this organic meal. Anyway, it's very, very lightly sweet. You do get the chocolate profile, but you do get that nice protein base to it. It's almost like a very light chocolate or a very slight... I don't want to say it tastes like coffee because it doesn't taste like coffee. It's just very... Yeah, it's almost hard to describe. It's like a lightly sweet... wholesome, proteiny chocolate with a slight hint of sweetness. I hope that's a good, accurate description. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out. I recommend the chocolate flavor. Not saying vanilla is bad. I just do prefer the chocolate. And that's pretty much it. Stay healthy. Stay fit. Chmelaeon.com is out. We have to get the little powder off this guy, too. All right. Peace.